Inverter.
Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
It is our project. Our project title name is Optimizing Share Size in Efficient and Robust Secret Sharing Sims for Big Data. It is our project abstract. In our process, secret sharing sims has been applied the commonly in distributed cloud storage for big data. It is the method for protecting and outsourcing the data against the data leakage and for a security key management systems. The secret is distributed among the group of the participant, which each the participant hold a share of the secret. The secret can be only reconstructed when the sufficient number of the shares are constituted. Although many the secret sharing schemes have been proposed, they are still inefficient in terms of the share size, communication cost, and storage cost, and also the lack of the robustness in terms of the extract the share repair. In this the paper, for the first time we proposed a new secret sharing schemes based on the sleep and wolf coding. Our sims can be achieved an optimal share size utilizing the simple binding and ideas of this coding. It also enhances the extract the share the repair features whereby these shares remain constant even if they are corrupted. We shown throughout the experimental how our sims can be significantly reduce this communication and store the cost while still being able to support the directed and share the repair, delivering the lightweight excuse of OXR or gate XOR gate operation for this fast computation. Big data is become a new era in this data explorations. The amount of the data is increasing exponentially has thus numer- numerous applications such as the cloud or distributed storage systems are introduced to reduce the burden of this data management for the data owner. However, along with this the data utilizations of this such systems, there are a lot of the security challenges in which the most common threats are this data leakages and distractions. To protect against the threats, secret sharing sims in this the idle of this method, which can be used for more popularity in the distributed cloud systems. Secret sharing sims is used for the distributed secret among this group of the participant, which help of these dealers. Each the participant hold the share of the secret. The secret can be only reconstructed when there is enough the number of the share combining together. Each share cannot be used along this extract meaningful the information, and the use case of this the secret sharing seems is the CSB, the data collected from this constructed customers and every day for gain dramatically. It is our project flow diagram. In our project flow diagram, it is a model for this admin. So and the admin can be registration this process, and admin can be goes to this login. It means the admin key verification process. The admin can be submitted the three types of key. For example, username, password, and the admin key. This key verification process can be verify the admin keys. If the keys are can match for this registered keys, so it can be admin can be goes to this data file uploading process. So data the admin can be goes to this HDFS Hadoop distributed file system. The Hadoop is one of the tool can be used for this uploading and downloading file from to this Hadoop big data. The big data is the large amount of data to store this any types of data and any types of formation in this process. So the admin can be goes to this using this HDFS process and upload this file or data, uploading the product element of data from this big data. The big data after the big data storage process can be completed, it goes to this cloud service provider. The cloud service provider can be get this data. And next process then cloud service provider can be generated the key generation process. The cloud service provider can be generated the three types of keys: server 1 key, server 2, and server 3, and server 4 keys. These four types of key can be generated for this key generation process. And next is then process file sharing process. After this data can be sharing for this data can be split into small number of segments. It means the packets. The data can be transferred from the source to destination in these packets. So after this key verification process, the server on the cloud service provider can be gives how many servers. The servers can be defined. These three types of three servers can be want. So these three servers can be created. After the allocation, the data can be transferred from this cloud service provider to server. The key verification process can be completed. The key verification on this five types of key verification process can be completed. The data can be stored for each servers. Else the error message can be displayed for this cloud service provider and this server. So thus, if the cloud service provider can be generated the key, he can allocate this file for for each of these servers. The key can be necessary to file upload and downloading process. So the process can be more secure for this transfer from the key source to destination process. So the time consuming can be low, and it can be more efficiency and accuracy process can be high. It is our project. So our project is on how to process in our project. So you extract in this file. So open this Java files can be open. So it is our big data flow concept. So we can be implement this process in Eclipse software. So click this home page and right click this run on Hadoop. So click a VMware server. So click finish. So it is our project home page. So home page can be displayed this process. So our project concept title name is optimizing share size in efficient and robust secret sharing for big data. So click this frame. So it is our process data loading process. So in our process, first process data loading. So we can be the user can be load this enough data for big data. So click this browse. So select this file. So it is in file path, file size, and file name and the file format can be displayed. So click this view data. So it is our product relevant information data can be displayed for this field. So it is all of this product relevant information. Okay. So click this next. So it is in HDFS and the word count file word count process. So if we click this in HDFS Hadoop distribution file system, our data can be successfully loaded for this data. So click this HDFS. So our process can be loaded. So our our data can be successfully uploaded for this Hadoop. So click this OK. So click this word count file. So our word count file process can be completed. So it can be goes to VMware server and refresh and click this reconnect. Okay. So our data can be loaded for this map produce big data. So our file can be stored for this big data. So click this file. So it is our original data file can be stored for this big data. So it is our process word count can be displayed this console field. So it is our original file data word count can be displayed this fields. It is all of this complete pre-process for big data files can be word count can be displayed. So next is so it is an admin login process. Cloud admin can be enter this field. So click this admin. So admin is an admin name. So password is an admin 123. It is in cloud admin. So password is 54321. So click this OK. So click this login. So login process can be completed. So it can data transfer process. In this data transfer process, our original file can be stored for this big data. So the big data file can be transferred for this cloud service. For generated after the key generation process completion, the file can be transferred. File can be stored for this for each cloud service. So enter the server. Okay, it is an Hadoop big data transfer ID. So it is an Hadoop ID server 1. So it is an second password. Server 2 is an second password. So server 3 is an third process. After the verification process can be completed. So if I goes to the transfer process, so it is an original data. Hadoop uploaded data can be displayed. So I click this data. So click this data transfer. If the data loading can be process. So our data transfer process can be completed. So it is in data, all information can be displayed. This field data name, data size, and the transfer time, and the date, and the frequent time, and the data speed. All of information can be displayed this field. So it is in file allocation. The cloud server can be get this file from CSP cloud service provider can be transfer our original file from big data to cloud. So it can be allocated the server to allocate this file. So create the number of files. So it can be create this 3 number of servers. So 3 numbers servers can be allocated for frequent time and creation date and starting time. All of information can be displayed. So I can be click this button create. After the server can be displayed and the server level can be displayed. So I can be fix this server 1 can be medium. So medium can be displayed. After the 2 is null. So I can be fill this field. So 2 extra large. So extra server 2 is extra large and server 3 is high. So I can be created 3 types of server and it can be fix these capacity levels. Okay. So after that I can be create server creation. The server can be created successfully. So I can be goes to the next process. This key generation. After the key generation, the key verification process can be cloud service provider can be generated for each server keys. If the data key can be matched for the servers, if the key can be matched, the data can be allocated for each allocation server. If does not, the error message for is shown for the servers. So I can be click this key generation. It is our secret key. I can be generated for this 4 types of key. Okay. This 4 type of key can be matched for each servers. The data can be shared for each servers. So it goes to CSP and right click this and run as on Hadoop. Click this VMware server. Click this finish. So the receiving process can be cloud CSP receive process can be displayed. Okay. Key share. The file can be received and the key can be shared. Okay. Our key can be shared for this key 1, key 2, key 3. Okay, the cloud service provider can be generated for keys and it is a server receiver process. So the server can be receiver these types of keys and load the secret keys. This secret key can be loaded for each servers. Okay, we can copy these keys. Open your notepad. Copy these keys. It is in key 1. And it is in key 2 and it is in key 3 and it is in key 4. Okay, we can use for server keys. So click this secret keys, enter the secret key 1. It is a secret key. So copy this field. So it is in secret key 2. So copy and paste. So it is a secret key. If it gives any number of wrong key, the error message can be displayed. The data does not allocation for servers. So it copy this key and paste this key 4. So these keys can be displayed this text field and it is a key verification process. Our cloud server key can be matched for each servers. If the data can be allocation, if does not, the error message can be displayed. So it is a key verification process can be completed. So it is in data 1 and it is our data upload data and it is in server levels and the packet and the file size and allocation time can be displayed. If I can click this allocation file, the data allocated can be successfully. It is in comparison graph between the key data allocation process. So it is in level 1 and level 2, level 3 can be verification. It is in the level can be vary from 1 to 1 and it is in based for this cloud file allocation level based graph can be generated. If it goes to your source package, this goes to your Eclipse source packet, the server can be creation. It is your creation server. If you can create any number of server, the data can be allocated for this for each server side. So it is our original data can be stored for this created server can be stored for this our data. You can gives any number of data. The server can be created for this field. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.